चलो बच्चों, so 10 more questions are left in this chapter, right? Indices, and quickly we will complete it so that we'll move on to next chapter, which is very interesting. Chalo, but before that we'll finish this. So 21 come on page number. What you have is, everyone please turn your study material. Okay, study material paper 3, business mathematics, page number 1.22, okay, question number 21. चलिए बेटा, so questions is 1 minus x square to the power minus 1. Okay, this bracket is closed, to the power minus 1 and to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power. See, if you look, this questions looks very big, but solution is very simple. Okay, you simply has to follow what? Follow the rules and step. So 1 minus, now you gonna tell me, since a to the power minus 1 by a, is there any doubt? No sir. So you can write whole to the power. If this whole term you will pretend as a, what will be there? A to the power minus 1. So what you can write? 1 divided by 1 by x square we can write, sir. Very good. So 1 power is already been treated now. चलिए अगला स्टेप, 1 minus, now 1 minus x square, we gonna sum. I have already taught you how. If nothing is there, there is 1 and 1 multiplied by this, so base will come 1 minus x square. Hence 1 minus x square multiplied by 1 minus x square, and here minus 1, right, minus 1 by 2. Now this is plus 1, this is minus 1, is gone, right? Right sir. So 1 minus, now you are left with x square divided by 1 minus x square. See, only one rule I am gonna use whole these questions. Okay, is that right? Right sir. Again we will apply same rule, a to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by a. So 1 minus, now if this is assumed as a, so a to the power minus 1, what will be there? 1 by, means ये पलटी मार देगा ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर. So 1 minus x square डिवाइड बाय क्या होगा बच्चा? x square. Am I right? Right sir. And then whole to the power you have is minus 1 by 2. I told you it's very simple. Now again sum you have to do x square. So x square minus 1 and minus plus x square. This power is still there, right? This power is still there because what we have done, minus का treatment we have done. So this पलटी power is still there. Now this is gone, this is gone. This is how much? This is how much? Minus 1 divided by x square, minus 1 divided by कितना बेटा? x, right? Right. I guess somewhere you have done little mistake. Okay, here you see, this is how much? Minus, see, this is minus x square, so minus, if this bracket is open, this will become plus, and hence if you will do plus, and this remains what? Minus. So this is gone. Now you are left with 1 by x square, and power is still there, 1 by 2. Again, if this you are same, we are applying this rule only. So what will be the answer? X square by 1 to the power 1 by 2. Now it will become, open the bracket, so x square multiplied by 1 by 2, 2 gone, x to the power 1. equal to how much? Equal to, sir, x. Hence, do you have any option? Yes, sir. A number is the option. Okay. Now you gonna practice it. You going to practice it. You will watch it again and then you will practice. ठीक है? ठीक है सर. 21 हो गया. Now 22. 22 we have is x to the power n to the power n minus 1 by n, okay, and whole to the power 1 divided by 1 by n plus 1, right? but check कर लो, x to the power n minus 1 by n, okay, whole to the power 1 divided by n plus n. so simply a to the power m है n, यहाँ पे n है तो क्या लिखते हैं हम? a to the power m n. same thing we gonna do here, okay. x to the power n, now इसका ट्रीटमेंट n, this will be n square minus 1 whole to the power बेटा 1 बटा n plus 1, right? okay, same funda we gonna apply. now x to the power n, okay, now we will open this bracket, then it will become n square minus 1 divided by n multiplied by 1 divided by n plus 1, right? right, sir. so x to the power n, okay, and one more thing you learn, a square minus b square, if it's there then you can write a plus b, a minus b. so any one of you, if you have studied mathematics in your 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 standards, and then you would have heard of this particular formula. very simple, a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. so can anyone tell me, this is like a and this is b, 1 ka square, so what will be there? n plus 1 n minus 1 divided by n 1 divided by n plus 1. now what I can do, this n plus 1 will get cancelled, and then you will be left with x to the power n, okay, to the power n minus 1 divided by n, to the power n minus 1 divided by n. anyone is having doubt till here? then they're gonna tell me. anyone having doubt? no. see what is left with? we are left with n minus 1, and obviously down we have n. correct? correct, sir. now open the bracket again, x to the power n multiplied by n minus 1 divided by n, this n say n cancel, so x to the power n minus 1. is there any option? x to the power n minus 1, yes sir, c number is the option. see beta, if you are following the steps you will get answer, okay. chalo 22, then we gonna solve 23. quickly we'll do, it's very simple, very simple. they are saying कि you should apply aq minus bq equal to a plus b and then a square plus ab plus b square. let me tell you, this is nothing but this is a formula, okay. you have to mug it because many places I am gonna use it now, many places I am going to use it now, okay. now you have given, to simplify, x to the power l divided by x to the power m whole to the power l square plus lm plus m square multiplied by x to the power m divided by x to the power n whole to the power m square mn plus n square multiplied by x to the power n divided by x to the power l whole to the power l square plus lm plus beta n square. any doubt? no sir. चलिए अब आप मुझे बताओगे x का पावर n डिवाइड बाय x का पावर m है, तो इसको क्या लिख सकते थे, x का पावर n माइनस m, राइट। ये भी एक लॉ हम पढ़े थे, सेम फंडा हम यहाँ पे करेंगे। x का पावर l माइनस m, ओके, एंड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय l स्क्वायर lm प्लस m स्क्वायर, सेम वे multiplied by x का पावर m minus n, this will be m square mn plus n square, ठीक है, ठीक है सर। x to the power n by l, and then you have l square lm n square, am I right? Right sir। Now x to the power, you tell me, l minus m, aq plus bq equal to a plus b, a plus b, sorry, a minus b is there or a plus b is there, a minus b, this is formula given in your question is a minus b. So see, if it's a and this is b, exactly it will fit on this formula. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So you can write it what, aq minus bq, right, multiplied by x. Here also same, ab if you will write m square minus n square, here also same thing beta, n square minus l square. So since base are same, you can add simply, right, aq minus bq plus m square minus n square plus n square minus l square, and see the magic, a say aq bq, why did I write n है ना, n n l n n l n l, so n q n square, sorry q, this is q, q q and q, so q q q and q. Now you tell me nq nq plus lq minus lq plus mq and minus mq, right? So all these got cancelled and you are left with what, x to the power 0, that is equal to 1. Now tell me, is there any option? Yes sir, a number is the option. 23, quickly we will do 24. 24 what we have is, again they have given some formula to you. What they have given is using, बोला है कि using a minus b q equal to aq minus bq minus 3ab a minus b, take the correct of this when x equal to p to the power 1 by 3 minus p to the power minus 1 by 3, p to the power 1 by 3 minus p to the power क्या बेटा, minus 1 by 3. Okay, now this question is also very simple, right? Okay, now you see, if you will see in the options, they have given which option is correct, right? So every options they have given x cube plus 3x equal to p plus 1 by p, option A. Second, x cube plus 3x equal to, okay, means all the options x cube plus 3x is common. Okay, so we have to equate this only. Now you tell me, x cube, x equal to how much, p 1 by 3 minus p minus 1 by 3, so whole to the power q, am I right? Right sir, plus 3 x, x का वैल्यू इक्वेट करो कितना, p to the power 1 by 3 minus p to the power minus 1 by 3, am I right? Right, चलिए अब हम क्या करेंगे, ए क्यू पी का पावर 1/3 क्यू माइनस पी का पावर -1/3 q. What you are doing, sir? Simply I am putting this formula now. A minus b ka whole q equal to how much? So this is a, this is b. Let's say this is a and this is your b. So a minus b to the whole q, this formula. So p minus p 1 minus 3 का whole q plus 3 multiplied by p 1/3 multiplied by b p minus 1/3 and multiplied by a minus p. So p 1/3 minus p minus 1/3, right? So this is formula for only first term, and second term you have is plus 3 p to the power 1/3 minus p minus 1/3. This is still there, right? Right, sir. चलिए अब इसका ब्रैकेट हटाओगे तो क्या होगा, वही a to the power m का पावर n इक्वल टू a का पावर mn, राइट? तो दिस गियो बच्चों p माइनस यो भी गियो, सो -1 प्लस. अब आप मुझे बताओगे बरखुरदार, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय p का पावर 1/3 and this is base is same, right? So what you can do, if base is same, power will be get added plus -1/3. What I have done, a का पावर m multiplied by a का पावर n. So a का पावर m plus n. See, side by side I am writing formula also which I am using. Okay, now p to the power 1/3 minus p to the power -1/3 plus 3 p to the power 1/3 p to the power -1/3, right? Right, sir. तो इससे इसको कैंसिल कर दीजिए. नाउ यू आर लेफ्ट विथ p माइनस p का पावर -1, ओके, प्लस 3, ओके, p टू द पावर, दिस इज ऑल्सो गन, दिस इज ऑल्सो गन, p टू द पावर क्या 0 इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा 1 हो जाएगा, लेकिन मैंने स्टेप के लिए आपको लिख दिया. p to the power 1/3 minus p to the power -1/3 plus 3 p to the power 1/3 minus p to the power -1/3. Am I right? Right, sir. Okay, you have done one mistake here. See, aq minus bq minus 3ab. तो aq minus bq minus 3, okay, -3, right? Right, sir. So next step, what you gonna write, what you will write, you will write p minus p to the power -1. So p minus p to the power -1 minus 3 p का पावर 0 इक्वल टू 1. सो यू आर लेफ्ट विथ p टू द पावर 1/3 माइनस p टू द पावर -1/3. सो यू आर लेफ्ट विथ p टू द पावर 1/3 माइनस p टू द पावर -1/3 प्लस यू हैव 3 p टू द पावर 1/3 माइनस p टू द पावर -1/3. सो दिस इज गॉन, दिस इज गॉन, एंड यू आर लेफ्ट विथ p minus p to the power -1, right? Now you tell me p minus, if a to the power -1 by a, so let's say this term, what will be there, 1 by p, sir. So p minus 1 by p. Do you have any option? Yes, sir, b number is the option. So b number is the option. So what I have done, nothing, simply I have followed the steps, that's all. Okay, fine. So we have now question number 25. See, when I will write these questions, you will feel like, oh my god, so big, but solution would be very simple. 1 plus a to the power m minus n plus a to the power m minus p, okay, plus 1 divided by 1 plus a to the power n minus m a to the power n minus p plus 1 divided by 1 plus a to the power p minus m plus a to the power p minus n. Right? Right, sir. Okay. Now 1 plus, tell me, a to the power m and minus n, in the sense it would have been a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, and since it's a minus n, it will go down and it will become a to the power minus n plus a to the power m a to the power p. Same way everywhere, 1 plus a to the power n a to the power m plus a to the power n a to the power p plus 1 divided by 1 plus a to the power p divided by a to the power m plus a to the power p divided by a to the power n. Okay, okay sir. चलो 1 डिवाइड बाय, अब इसका पहले कर लेते हैं, a to the power n multiplied by a to the power p. Now here this is your base. Okay, now 1, nothing is there in the sense 1, so it will be a to the power n a to the power p plus a to the power m, n is already there, so which is left with a to the power p plus a to the power m is already there, which is left with a to the power n plus 1 डिवाइड बाय कितना हुआ, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power p, so am ap plus an ap plus an am, okay, plus 1 divided by, again here a to the power m a to the power n, so am an plus ap, m is already, so an plus ap. How this is same? Is it? It's the same. Let me check. ap, yes, 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 it's the same. So ap and then am, right? Fine. Now next step. So what and all I have used? I have used if a का power minus 1, so 1 by a, then a to the power m into a to the power n है तो a का power m plus n. यदि a का power m डिवाइड बाय a का power n है तो a m minus n. Okay, whatever I have used I am telling you. Fine. One more thing, x डिवाइड बाय a डिवाइड बाय b है तो क्या होगा, if you will bring it up, what will be x multiplied by b divided by a, मतलब this will get reversed and it will become in this term. Now I am going to use same way. Okay, first one you tell me what you have, an ap. Okay, so you have an ap divide by how much, an ap, okay, divide by how much, divide by, you have an ap, okay, plus am ap plus am an, okay, plus again same way I am doing. Okay, so am ap plus an ap plus an am plus am ap. Go here and check am an am an na am an, right? Right. Divide by am, okay, an plus ap an plus ap am. Then you will have a n plus p divided by a n plus p, okay, plus a m plus p plus a m plus n, right? Right. यहाँ पे a to the power m, a to the power p divided by a m plus p a n plus p plus a n plus m plus am an divided by a m plus n okay. Plus बोलो, okay, plus a p plus n plus a p plus m. See, it looks so lengthy and it's a lengthy, but it's a very simple, you believe me. ठीक है. So one by one formula we are putting and we are deriving the value, that's all. Okay. For example, here no, here also what you can do, m plus p, so this can be written as m plus p, right? Here also a base is same, so you can write plus n, right? Now can you tell me, look at the base, a n plus p, see, now I will matching base n plus p, a n plus p and a n plus p, same mp and then mp and then mp, mn, means base are same for all. So what we can write, base are same for all, so a np plus a mp plus a mn, right? Right sir. And यहाँ पे a n plus p plus a m plus p plus a m plus n, right? Now ups and down both are same, so simply this and this will get cancelled and you will be left with 1. So can you tell me, do you have any option like this? 1, yes sir, C number is the option. Okay, chalo beta. So since the problems were very lengthier, it's been already half an hour I believe, so we'll wind up, and another 5 questions which is literally very simple, we'll continue in next class. Okay, so after that you will get one more video on indices, please check. Okay, chalo, bye bye, take care.